how to fix Snapchat add-in friends problem. So first thing guys you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. After that, click on force stop and then go to the storage down here. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage here. Make sure that all these options are enabled. And then the last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.